Hi, and welcome. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a good day today. Been having a nice day today. So thank you for stopping by. God bless you. So today I'll be eating Welch fruit snack. Okay. So it says here it's made with real fruit, excellent source of vitamin A, C, and E, gluten free, fat free. Okay, I don't know if any of that true or not, but let me know. Have you ever eat a Welch fruit snack? Okay. Yummy. Mmm. 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 And here's the back of it. And here's the inside of it. Mmm. 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 Yummy. That's good. So, um, thank y'all for watching. And let me know, have you ever had Welch fruit snack? And thank you. Have a blessed day. Thank you for stopping by, and God bless you, and have a safe day. Thank you, and until next time. Thank you.